Hello, welcome to my channel, guys. If you are looking for to develop our nextcloud in your premises or maybe in cloud, so this is a video where I have configured nextcloud. So in case you need help or you want us to set up your own nextcloud, you can get in touch with us. So basically I will just go ahead and show you the walkthrough what exactly the benefit if we use the nextcloud. So I've logged in with my user ID here. So this is, you can see a simple status bar in the dashboard. So at this moment what I will do is I will select my location. So at this moment I am in New Delhi, so we will put New Delhi here. Okay, I can also select detect location, so it will allow us to detect the location. So automatically it will able to detect from where I have connected to. So at this moment it has already picked up the location where I am. So you can see my name, Joy Banerjee, and if you are watching for the first time in our channel, just go ahead and subscribe our channel. So in this we are walking through that what is the benefit using nextcloud. So nextcloud is an open source platform. It is quite equivalent to Google Drive, quite equivalent to OneDrive which you use, right? But it is your own nextcloud cloud drive. So what that mean is the data which you are putting there, so nobody is going to scan it, nobody is going to interfere whatever the data you are storing, right? So again, if you have a very good hardware in your premises, you can develop it and set it up as local. But at this moment what I'm doing is I've already published this whole platform into the internet. So my logic and my motto is basically we can do the backup from our phone as well. Yes, so if you want to take, whenever you are taking a photograph, so you can take a backup of those photos into your nextcloud, which is your own cloud server, right? So what it has, some features, I've already enabled some of the features. So you can see the calendar talk is one of the things where you can chat with your online users whom you have given the permission to access this whole status. So at this moment I'm online, so I will go to the folder view. So at this moment you can see these are a few folders which are nextcloud is populating automatically. So I don't require this. What I will do is I will select them and I can go ahead and download, or I can move them. So at this moment what I will do is I will delete them, right? So I will leave the talk. I will leave the talk, okay, and it also gives some intro and all the things. So photos I will be selecting it, and templates, let it be like that, and rest of the files I don't require. So what I will do is I will delete them. I will click delete. So when you're deleting it, you need to make sure that you also delete it from the trash. So I will go to the deleted file, I will select them and delete permanently. So once you delete it, the data is deleted. So at this moment, how much data I have, how much cloud data I have permitted to my account. So basically this whole server is developed on the top of SSD storage, and I have 2 TB of storage which I have already given to this platform. But whenever you are adding your teammates into this, you can go ahead and give them a specific quota if you want to. So how you can enable it, I don't know I am able to see those things or not, because okay, I can see that. I will go to the apps. Now I can see if you go to the apps and you go to the app bundles, right? So there are few of the apps which we have enabled. You can see the auditing app I have enabled. Then I will go ahead, the retention app, which is also very good. So we can put a specific retention to a file, that is also good. So I'll talk about like calendar, and I've enabled it. We can also enable contacts, so I will download and enable it. So automatically the contacts are also get enabled. So the deck is, if you don't know what exactly this this specific bundle is going to be doing, so you can go ahead and see. This is the image, and it gives you idea basically what are the things you can do, right? I can write my task and all the things, so which is very, very handy. And the mail feature is also enabled. I have not enabled it. So I've enabled the social media sharing to Facebook. I've enabled the social sharing via email, and there are a few more things which you can enable. At this moment the dashboard is enabled, okay, and the Teams is also enabled if we want to work as a team. So that I have enabled. So antivirus of the files I have enabled, which is very important whenever you're working with your staff or your co-workers or your team. So it is very important that what exactly the file they're uploading, which we need to really go ahead and know that is it having antivirus or not. So then the catchy thing that we also have forms which we can use. So at this moment maybe you are using Google Forms, but it is very good that you can use this form right out of the box from Nextcloud. Then Nextcloud also have a Office which you can use the collaborate and the application. It will be looking at quite a similar to, you can say, that Google Words, right? So we will do some testing and see it out. And we also have tables. If we see what exactly the tables is, we can go ahead and see all the things which you can use, right? So there are multiple apps which you can enable. These are some monitoring features. If you want to enable, we can also enable them, but as many things you enable, the load on your server is going to be more, right? So this is organization. So what I will do is I will go back to the dashboard, and in the dashboard you can see these are few things which we can set up. So right, okay, and if I go to the deck, I can create my own task as well. So I can create a new one. So I will put that, I will select the tag, and then I will mention all the work here, so which is very handy. And you can set reminders as well, and you can also share those cards with your teammates as well, which is very beneficial, right? And the talk, I am definitely going to test it out, because at this moment there is no user is added. So I will tell you how you can add more users. This is the contact thing which we have enabled, so I can put my contacts as well from here. And okay, I will go to, what I will do is I will go to the admin feature, and I will go to users. So here, if you want to add your users, you can see there is admin and my account is there. So at this moment the quota which I have set to my account is unlimited. So that means the whole server is having 2 TB of storage, so then I can use and publish 2 TB of data. So it is again very important then from where you are accessing it. So if you are using the internet, so internet has a specific bandwidth, so that bandwidth is going to be used, so you need to be take care. And this server is hosted on our office premises, home premises, maybe anywhere where you can have a good internet, you can put it there. And and it is also very important that you need your machine to be online 24/7. Until unless it is online, you can't really access your files, and even you can't back up your files as well, right? So what I will do is I will go to the new client here, new account here, and I can put the account details, and we can select the manager. Who is the manager? Let's say I am the manager, and we can give a default quota, maybe 1 GB, 5 GB or 10 GB, or it is unlimited. So at this moment I will give like 10 GB of space to each of the users. So I will select the user will be in the staff section, okay, and email address, password, display name, and username. So these are the things. When you hit add new, so they will get a welcome email, and their password will be also shooted to their email inbox, right? So this is how you will able to use it. So what I will do is I will go back to this file, and I will try to install this Nextcloud in my mobile. So what I will do is I will go to the Play Store. So let me just go to Play Store and install Nextcloud. So I will install Nextcloud, and let me record my screen as well, so that you can go ahead and able to see what we are able to see in the screen, and so that you can able to okay, right, I am connected to the 5G network now. So what I will do is I will start the recording. Give me one moment. And okay, screen recording, perfect. So I will click record. Now you can see I'm recording, that is fine. So what I will do is I will click install. So once the nextcloud is installed in my phone, so we will do the configuration so that the backup is happening on a fly. And whenever you're taking a picture, so automatically, as Google Drive is taking the backup in your nextcloud, so automatically you can do the backup in your own server as well. So now you can see it is asking us the whole address of our nextcloud. So what I will do is I will put the whole URL in our case, which is https nextcloud dot nextcloud dot then gplwp world.com. okay, and I will hit this. So it is testing the connection, so it will see that we are able to get into it or not. So it says connect to your account, so it is giving us the whole page. I will click login. Now I will put my user ID and password. So I will blur this thing. So I will put my username. So I will click login. It is asking us to save the password, so I will save it, and now it says grant access. So we will give access to this mobile. So now this mobile is having the access, so I will give full permission. So now I can see that all the things I'm able to allow access to manage this file. Okay, I'm fine. Now what we need to do is we need to enable the backup system as well. So I need to see that how we can do that. So now I can go to the settings, and I will see uploads, what it give. Okay, I will go to settings. So into the setting, now you can see this is the storage. I will select auto upload. So we will select the auto upload. So whatever you are selecting, that that thing is going to be backed up very easily. So at this moment, what I will do is I will you can see the cloud icon you are able to see before the photographs. Okay, so what we can do is we can back up any of the folders which we want to. So at this moment I will go ahead with the camera. So what I will do is I will click the three dot and I will click configure, right? So in the configure section it says auto upload. So I will select this, the auto upload. So only upload in Wi-Fi, and also upload the existing files, right? And also upload the existing files and use the subfolder. So we can use subfolder for the same, right? And we always want and only upload when the mobile is charging. So this is one of the things that is totally up to you how you want to do it. So at this moment I'm fine. Whenever I'm connected to Wi-Fi, so it should go ahead and upload. So I will click save, and the battery optimization, okay, that is fine. So your device may have battery optimization enabled. So auto upload works only properly if you exclude this app from it. Okay, so what we will do is we will disable and we will allow. Now you can see it is enabled that the cloud backup is going to happen. So I will see the task manager if anything is happening here at this moment or not. So we will wait for some time, and I believe the auto upload is going to be very quickly. It's going to be planned. So I also need to test the performance and everything. So automatically whenever we are, okay, if I go there, so now you can see some of the photos is there. I don't know it is our photo or demo photo. So what I will do is I will go here and see these are few photographs. So I will delete them. Oh sorry, I don't require it. So I will delete them, delete these files, delete, and I will go to the deleted files. I will select them and delete permanently. Right. So I can see there is one folder called instant upload. So now you can see these are few folders and subfolders are getting created. So that is good. If I select this, so now you can see some of the images are coming in, right? So you can see my mobile is getting backed up now, and I'm able to see my instant upload has a folder called camera. And now you can see it is getting backed up, and we need to just wait and see how much time it will take. So automatically we can wait and see how much is slowly and gradually you will see the the size of the instant upload folder is getting increased. Okay, so we are able to back up, we are able to upload. Now you see it is increasing. It is now 50 MB. Initially it is started with few KBs. Now I will go back again. Now you can see 63 MBs, right? So that means it is very, very clear that we are backing it up from our mobile. So whichever directory you want auto backup to be enabled, so you can go ahead and enable with this tool. So I guess this is very, very handy tool, and this is going to be very, very helpful for you as well and for your teammates as well. It is good for personal work, it is good for each and every type of work which you want to do, right? So thanks for watching, and if you want to develop your own nextcloud server, so then you can go ahead and get in touch with us, and we will help you to develop it, or we will also help you to host your own nextcloud on our premises. Take care, namaste, and we will see you again. Bye.